Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. This book is your journal, not journey, your journal to freedom. Have you written out your goals yet? This time next year, I will earn 10,000 a month. Now, that is a really big goal. This book will help you chunk it down into little baby steps. So if your aim is to earn £10,000 or $10,000 a month by the end of this year, you have to chunk it down and say, by March the 1st, I will earn $2,000. So by February the 1st, I will earn, say, $800. And if you use the words I will, that means you will do it because you've told yourself you will. So it's got to be specific. So this example in the book is he wants to self-publish a book, right? And it's going to be 250 pages long, so he's going to write 5 pages a day. So it's attainable because he's chunked it down and he's really excited. 5 pages a day is doable. Relevance, he wants to be an authority figure and an author. And it's time bound. Have you ever said to yourself, I'm going to do this, but I'll do it tomorrow? If you have a deadline, it's much, much easier to focus. So in 100 days, I will. So if you've got 100 days and you contact 10 people a day, that's 1,000 new leads in 100 days. So if you've got a system like the 6-step sponsoring system and you follow it through, you've asked 1,000 people in 1 month about your business. Doesn't that seem doable? It's specific. You contact 10 people a day. Why? You're helping them get financial freedom. Measurable. 10 people a day is doable as long as you focus and you write it down. Sorry about that. Whoops. It's attainable. If you write it down, it keeps you focused. It's relevant. You tell yourself, I am a ninja recruiter and people pay me thousands for my trainings. Starts now with baby steps. So it's time bound. So you've got 100 days to get 1,000 new leads. So if you break it down, 1,000 new leads, for instance, if 10%, you might get 100 new people into your business. Or even 10 or 20. If you could do 10 people a day and you could get 70 people a week, so in 3 months ish, you've got 1,000 new people. So in 3 months, 10% of that is definitely 100. So some will say yes, some will say no, but if you write it down, so you've got day 1, day 2, first end day sprint, 3 specific actions I'm going to take to achieve my goal. So if you have a Facebook group, you could get 10 new leads a day into your Facebook group, put content in group and comment in other groups, and do some training. I put how to set up a lead system. 1 habit I will implement over the next 10 days. write everything down, because there will be days that you won't. And my action plan to implement this habit, logging everything, will help me find what I find difficult and correct it the day after. My life will be so much better in 100 days. Also, if you find that you post in certain Facebook groups at a certain time and you get more engagement on your teaser posts, it's really helpful if everything goes in this book. Now, you write down what you want to accomplish in the day, and then in the evening you go over, did you actually do what you planned? So it starts off by saying 2 wonderful things that happened today. So I made 2 really good contacts, 2 struggles I encountered. For instance, still difficult to focus. So I've got so possible solutions. Do it in 30-minute blasts, for example. If you can't concentrate for very long, do your content in a 30-minute blast. Do your follow-ups in 30-minute blasts. Tomorrow will be a great day because I'm going to get this right. And then the final thought of this day was keep changing the strategy until you get the results you want. Now there's lots of 10-day sprints in here. If you write it down, it so clears the fog out of your mind. It just puts you on the right track. So that's my #1 recommendation, because it keeps you focused. And at the end of each day, you can find out what you wanted to do, what you did or didn't do, and then you think, how can I improve this tomorrow? So you'll either, if you didn't get everything done, you can put slightly less down. But if you've achieved 2 out of the 3 things, or even 1, that's progress because you wrote it down. Now, I'd like you to go and get this book. It comes from America, all the way from America, and it's better than buying one of those self-help books, because this keeps you focused. But if you focus on the end result, on this 5-bedroom house that I want, that I can have people round and cook for them and all this in France, and my daughters come and see me often, this is what you have to do. You have to chunk it into little pieces, and then it's doable. So go and get this book, the link's below. Subscribe and hit that notification button. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.